One of the biggest causes of hydraulic hose failure is abrasion, and it usually happens faster than people expect. Abrasion occurs when a hose is rubbing against equipment, other hoses, brackets, or even vibrating slightly over time. That constant contact slowly wears down the outer cover, exposing the reinforcement underneath and dramatically shortening a hose life. The key to prevention is protecting the hose before damage starts. We offer hydraulic hoses with extreme abrasion-resistant covers, designed to hold up in harsh environments. On top of that, we stock hose protection options like plastic spiral wrap, nylon sleeve, and spring guard, all designed to add a layer of defense where hoses see the most abuse. If you're seeing worn covers, frequent failures, or just need to extend hose life, reach out to Hydraulic Connections. Visit our website or give us a call. Tell us about your application, and we'll help you choose the right hose and protection for the job.